Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to use Faysal Bank credit card points. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So begin by accessing your Faysal Bank online banking platform or mobile application. Now once logged in, direct your attention to the Blaze or Velocity Rewards section, typically located within the interface. Now, within this section, take the opportunity to explore the diverse array of redemptions choices at your disposal. So, this range may encompass the following. So, that includes procuring gift cards from a wide selection of renowned brands and retailers, exchanging accumulated points for the seamless booking of flights, hotels, or car rentals via established travel affiliates. Now, settling utility bills, mobile phone charges, or other applicable expenses by utilizing your accrued points. Now, transferring your accumulated points to the account of another Blaze or Velocity Rewards member, expanding the potential benefits. Now, progressively accrue a predetermined quantity of points to unlock the issuance of tangible vouchers. Upon receipt of these vouchers, leverage them to secure advantageous discounts or effectuate purchases at a partner retail outlet. Now, when shopping at participating stores, be vigilant for the distinctive Blaze or Velocity Rewards insignia or sign. Now, feel free to approach store personnel to inquire about the potential utilization of your points for securing discounts for or affecting direct points redemptions at the point of sale. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.